Hello guys, welcome back. New video invoicing defining 6G together. Forward by Eric's XU Chinese version of book 6G. The next horizon, the best horizon. Uh, we accept 6G is a hit market around 2023, but we don't really know what 6G is yet. This is question our industry need answer in the next then years. Can we find the right answer to satisfy customers, enterprises, verticals, the mobile communication industry, and uh, society as large? This is our newest test. Our industries. Uh, if we look at adoption with wireless communication technology, 5G is incredible into vertical or deeply widely than any of its percentages. The mobile communication industries has forged many alliances with verticals such as 5G AA and 5G AC IA. The intelligence have helped define 5G in a way that meets the unique requirement of these vertical. However, 5G relate the styler new demand that cannot be met 5G STEM. They were 5G 5 mm, with delivers enhanced capability comes into play, and without a debut 5.5G and further similar more new demands only 6G can addresses. So this is long paragraph is looking into new demands in circular defined 6G requires the vertical to make part of defending 6G like never before. After detected from inactive development, 5G has become highly capability fulfilling and simply customer need maximum the strength of core 5G technologies in the next few years. The process is defining and developing for 5G will go side by highlights and how much further can it go. This will be a test for other industries. Imagine and inventions. If we look at technology itself, no single generation mobiles communication technologies exist in solution. They all need learn about from absurd all developers to available technologies. Mobile communication has enjoyed enormous success, but we should never forget the wrong turns. We have taken a long way of 3G era's option ATM before switching to IP. We had high hopes for currents of IT and communications. So technology is the 4G eras and still hold those same hopes, and for the 5G eras industry is still feeling its way to forward. In the 6G eras we will face a more complex technologies environment. It will be shaped by closed uh, closed closed cloud computing, big data, affiliative So this will be a test our industry progress and resolve. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.